In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a site logo or favicon in Squarespace 7.1 if you've recently set up your website or feel it's time for a fresh look. Having a custom logo and favicon can make a world of difference in how your site is perceived. Let's dive into the process step by step to get you set up in just a few minutes. First, we'll kick things off by logging into Squarespace. Head over to Squarespace and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your dashboard. From here, find and click on Website on the left-hand side of the menu. This will take you to a list of your active sites. Now, locate the site you wish to modify and click the Edit button next to it. Next, you're going to hover over the header area of the website. You'll see an option popping up that says Edit Site Header. Click on this to begin customizing your site header. Inside this editor, there is an option labeled Site Title and Logo. Click on that and you'll be able to upload your logo image. This step is crucial as your logo represents your brand's identity across your website. It's a good idea to prepare the logo in advance, making sure it's in a format like PNG or JPEG for optimal quality. While you're here, consider uploading a separate logo specifically designed for mobile display. With the increasing number of mobile users, ensuring a tailored viewing experience on smaller screens can help maintain your site's professional appearance and functionality. Now that we've set the logo, let's shift our focus to the favicon. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the tab of your web browser, providing an additional visual cue for users. To set this up, navigate to Settings from your main menu, then click on Website and select Favicon. Once inside, you'll see the option to add a favicon, where you can upload your favicon image file. Similar to your logo, ensure it is sized correctly. Commonly, a 32x32 pixel size tends to work best for favicons. Once you've uploaded your favicon, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. This will ensure that both your site logo and favicon are visible to your visitors. It may take a few minutes for these visuals to update site-wide, so don't worry if you don't see the changes immediately. And there you have it, a refreshed visual identity for your Squarespace website with a new logo and favicon. Having these elements in place not only enhances the site's aesthetics, but also establishes professional branding that helps your site stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.